Hello everyone, welcome back to Unlock AI Collaboration, a video series where I show you how I use AI just so that I can give you an idea on how you can use AI in your various problems that you're trying to solve, workflows, and so on. Today I'm going to show you how I use AI to help me reorganize my messy and chaotic documents folder so that it now looks like this. So this video is going to be a continuation from my previous video titled Unlock AI Collaboration for Coding, and in that video I used AI to help me write a PowerShell script, and that PowerShell script created a text file which was a tree, a visual tree of all of the folders in my documents folder. Right now I'm going to run that PowerShell script and show you the output of the documents folder, and then we're going to go and submit that to an AI model and analyze it, and then take its analysis and use that to better organize my documents folder. So I've got the PowerShell script all set and I'm going to run it right now. So it's going to go through every subfolder that I have in my documents folder and write out to a text file in a very structured, somewhat graphical way. And so it's human readable, but it's also readable by the AI model that we're going to use. All right, so it's just finished and we've got this text file here, and it is massive. So yeah, we're going to take this file and so now what we're going to do is we're going to use Google's AI Studio, Google AI Studio up here. We're going to choose their brand new 1.5 Pro experimental model. They're from the Gemini family. This was released on August 27th. And looking forward to checking it out. So I've got my file. I need to upload it and drag it in. I have tried several times to upload the file to the drive through this system here, and it won't work. So I had to just go to my personal Google Drive, upload the file manually. And so what I'm going to do now is say my drive and go to recent and upload that right there. Great. It's uploading. Now I am going to give it a prompt that I had previously written. So I said, analyze this document of folder trees from my documents folder. Analyze the quality of my information organization. Create a list of categories the folders can be assigned to. Give suggestions for how to better organize my documents folder based on what you notice from this tree. All right. And it's going to take a while. It's probably going to take about a minute. No, it actually started before that. Okay, interesting. So analysis of your documents folder organization. Observations. Mixed organization. You employ a combination of chronological, topical, and application-based organization. This can make it difficult to consistently find files. Yeah, that's an understatement. Deep nesting. Several folders have multiple levels of subfolders, making navigation tedious. Indeed. Some categories appear in multiple places, taxes and your financials, and as a standalone folder. This is true. Some folder names are very specific. There's a date, and what? I don't know what that is. That might be a hallucination. While others are broad. Transformation. I don't even know what transformation means. I have no idea what that's about. Overall quality, while some areas are organized well, the inconsistency in deep nesting Likely make it challenging to find local files efficiently. Yes. Here's a list of potential categories based on your folder names. Personal, and then you have, so it's actually listing all of my folders for personal. Work, career. That's really interesting. It's somehow new that IATSE was related to my work and career. Interesting. The Entertainment Community Fund is not really exactly related to work and career. Financial. That's more of a project. That's a project. More of a work and career thing. Creative projects. Nope. That's just me looking for an apartment. Game documents. Post-production. Woodworking. Computer software. Okay. Yeah. Most of these are right, except for my games. So overall, I mean, really what they're talking about is just creating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 folders. And normally I would nitpick over that, but I'm really trying to be decisive and quick with certain decisions that I make. So these are really not that bad. These are pretty good. So I will implement the 5 header folders: personal, work, career, financial, creative projects, computer software. I will do that. All right, what else does it say? Suggestions for improvement. Consolidate the categories. Combine redundant folders like taxes into the main financials category. Yes, I will do that. Reduce nesting, aiming for a max of 2-3 subfolder levels. Consider using file naming conventions to provide further context instead of creating excessive subfolders. I'm going to ask it about that. Consistent naming. Choose either descriptive names or date-based names for folders within a category, but avoid mixing them. I'm going to ask them about that too. Reallocate application data. Let applications manage their own data. If you need backups, create a dedicated application backups folder. Okay. Utilize search. Don't rely solely on folder structure. Learn to use your operating system search function effectively to find files quickly. Interesting. I don't know. I mean, Windows 11 maybe is better search. I've been a Windows user for years, and I don't really think of it as having really good search capabilities. So maybe that's different now. I don't know. And then it also says consider cloud storage. Nope. Oh, that's interesting. Cloud services like Google Drive. How convenient is that? I'm using Google AI. It's offering me Google solutions. Hey, is this another way to promote their products and services? I hope not. Better search capabilities and automatic backups, further reducing the need for complex folder structures. By implementing these suggestions, you can transform your documents folder into a more efficient and easily navigable system. Yep, great. All right, let me ask you these questions. Okay, what file naming conventions you recommend? Here's some file naming conventions that can help you organize your documents folder without relying on complex folder shit. Be consistent, be descriptive, use dates. Yes, I agree. I absolutely prefer this even just YYMMDD, we use that quite frequently in Hollywood on our post-production projects. Use keywords. Add relevant keywords you might use when searching for a file. Avoid special characters. Use camel case or underscores for readability. Yeah, I personally like the underscores. So projects, project name, the date, description, tumbling god, the date, story outline. Version, user manual, financials. I always do like having the date first instead of like in the middle, because then if you have your date like this, then you can sort your files much better, much more easily. Meeting notes. Creator file. Why is it sticking the date in there? That's annoying. Specific recommendations for application generated files. You need to keep backups. Yep. All right, that all sounds good. And definitely these are suggestions. You can adapt them to suit your personal needs and workflow. Yeah, I really don't recommend just blindly taking whatever an AI says. You really do need to critically think about its suggestions for your own use case. All right, so I took some time and I reorganized my documents folder according to the suggestions that Google Gemini had made. It said make a personal folder. Let's take a look. Make a personal folder, make a work career folder, financial, creative projects, computer software. And so that is what I did. So I've got career instead of work career, just career, computer and software, creative projects, financial, Obsidian Vault. That is software called Obsidian, which maybe I'll show it some other time, but it is just a way to organize all your thoughts. It's incredibly flexible. You just create folders and files that are in Markdown, and it's kind of a formatting language, and you just organize it however you want. So any kind of thought, anything I want to organize and keep, I just dump it into that. So this just keeps all of the folders that I have there. I have personal, work, financial, organized very similar to how I have my documents folder. Personal programming. So I've got some projects I'm currently working on and I just didn't want to move it. Also because it is something that I'm focused on. I released a recent video about coding, and so just want to keep it top of mind and not hidden away in the documents folder. So yeah, this was a really cool start. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.